if x plus iy to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus ib, then prove that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Solution. First we will take this x plus iy to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus ib. Now here we can see, here it is simply cube root or to the power 1 by 3. So if we take this 1 by 3 on right side, or if we take cube on both sides, then this will be x plus iy is equal to a plus ib whole square. Not whole square, it is whole cube, because this 3 will go on this side. Now there is a formula for a plus b whole cube. So it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now here we can see, here a is a and b is ib. Now we will simplify this further. So this will be x plus iy is equal to, now here this will be a cube, so a cube, then plus b cube, so this will be ib to the power 3, then here we will remove the bracket simply. So this will be a cube plus ib cube, then plus 3 into ab. So a is a and b is ib. So this will be ib, then multiplied by a plus b. So again a is a, then plus b is ib. So this will be ib. Now again we will simplify this further. So this will be a cube, then plus, now we know that I is minus 1. I square is minus 1. So I cube will be minus 1 into, or we can directly substitute here, I cube. So I cube is again minus I. And minus I is, we can write minus I as it is. Minus I as it is. So minus I b. And this will be cube because it is b cube. Then plus 3 into aib. 3 into a b I. We can write it like this. Then into a plus ib. So a plus ib. So here we can write, but I square is equal to minus 1. So therefore I cube will be equal to minus I. So that's why here I cube is equal to minus I. Then next step is, again we will simplify this bracket. So this will be I cube minus I b cube, then plus, now this will be 3a square, then b I, and this will be plus 3a b square, and this will be I square. Again I square is minus 1. So first we will write as it is, I square as it is. Then again we will further simplify this. So this will be a cube minus I b cube plus 3a square bi, then plus 3ab square, and this will be minus 1. So from here we will take this plus sign and change it to minus. Now this is equal to x plus iy. X plus iy. Now we can compare real and imaginary part. So here real part is x. So x is equal to a cube, then minus a cube minus 3ab square, and y is the imaginary part. So y is equal to minus I, or simply minus b cube, then plus 3a square b, 3a square b. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Now from here we can take a common. So this will be a into bracket a square minus 3b square, and here this will be, we can take b common from here. So this will be b, and this will be minus b square, then plus 3a square. Now if we take this a on left side, so this will be, therefore x by a is equal to a square minus 3b square, a square minus 3b square, and from here y by b is equal to, if we arrange this, so this will be 3a square, then minus b square, 3a square minus b square. Now what we have to find? We have to find, or we have to prove, x by a plus y by a is equal to 4a square minus b square. So we will solve x by a plus y by b. X by a plus y by b. So here this will be a square minus 3b square, and this will be plus 3a square minus b square. Now we will simplify this. So here we can see this will be a square and this is 3a square. So this will be 4a square, and here this is minus 3b square minus b square. So this will be minus 4b square. From here we can take 4 common. So 4a square minus b square. So therefore we can say x by a plus y by b, x by a plus y by b is equal to 4a square minus b square. So hence this is what we have to prove. So hence prove.